Everybody, it's Amber, and today I'm going to show you how to use my social media mockups bundle. I spent so much time putting these one-to-one versions of these social media mockups together. There are Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn mockups, both for desktop view and mobile view. And it's honestly really simple. So once you download it after purchasing, you'll get a PDF that will have a button to open this template up. You might have come from there since I linked the YouTube tutorial on the PDF, but for an example, I'm just going to pick this YouTube page, and then you can literally just drag and drop anything you want into these spaces. So I don't have really a design prepared, so I'm just going to drag some random stuff over. But like if this was my YouTube banner, for example, I could just drag and drop it in. And then if I don't like it, you can just undo and you can drag and drop anything you want. So you can drag your logos. There we go. And then you could drop it there. And then all the text on these are also editable. So whether this is for you or for a client or whatever, I think it's a really, really practical thing. And here, as another example, we could just drop our thumbnail right there, and you can change the thumbnail titles as well. So everything is completely customizable, which I love, and I think it'll just give you a great overview of what your feed could look like or what a client's feed could look like if you're making a brand package for them. So I hope this was helpful, and thanks again for supporting my shop.